What's going on, guys? It's Barbering Jason again, and I've got my student here, Cecilia, and she's just finished the haircut. She's finished the beard trim as well, and we're just going to use our razor to touch up. We're going to create a nice curved line just at the top of the beard there. So cool. We've got our gloves on. We've got a fresh blade in the razor. Now it's nice and safe for us to start our razor work. Cool. So when I'm doing a nice curved line, how am I going to create a curved line with a straight razor?
You're going to stretch the skin.
I'm going to stretch the skin, Cecilia, that's the one. So I'm going to use my thumb over the top. I'm going to stretch the skin up. I'm going to make sure my fingertips are just on the blade there. Yeah, that will allow me to have a lot more room underneath it. So if my fingers are going over it like that, I don't have as much space underneath it. I want to just hold it with my fingertips, stretch the skin up, and I just tap it gently towards the hairline. So cool. As you can see, I'm doing it dry. You can also use gel or even just a little bit of water if you want to. It's going to allow me to control my blade a lot better. It's not going to slide, but you just need to be a little bit more careful with the pressure. Sometimes it is a little bit tricky to get this part here because your fingers kind of get in the way. To make it easier, is it all right to go like this for me, sir?
Yeah, go for it.
Go like this?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
That's it. So that's going to stretch the skin for you, and it's going to make it easier for me to get the back of my razor a little bit tighter here. Cool. Cecilia, just look in the mirror. You're going to do the same thing on this other side here, yeah? Make sure the angle of your blade is around 35 to 45 degrees. Nice. Angle your blade a little bit more 45 degrees. A little bit more like this. It's a little bit flat on the skin, so just tilt it slightly like that. Yeah, that's it. Put some air in his cheeks, that's it. So stretch it a little bit lower. Your thumb should be just above the blade. That's it. Looking good?
Perfect.
Wicked.